Welcome to next lecture on mathematics. Today we are going to discuss division of polynomials. This lecture we are going to solve one important question, and how to divide the polynomial I have already discussed in the last lecture, so you refer that lecture. The link is given in description box. Now start with examples. Today's lecture we are going to discuss important question on polynomial division. Here example is, if f of x equals to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus ax plus b is a polynomial such that when it is divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1, the remainder are 5 and 19. Determine the value of a and b. This question says that if we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 1, then we get remainder 5. Similarly, if we divide this polynomial by x plus 1, then we get remainder 19. This condition is given in the question, and with the help of this given condition, we have to find the value of a and b. How to solve this question? Here I will explain you how easily we get the value of a and b. Here in the example, we first take the condition, that is x minus 1 is divided to this polynomial f of x, and we get remainder 5. Just you know that how to divide two polynomials. Apply the division method of polynomials and solve this term. To divide the polynomial, you check the first term of this polynomial is x raised to the power 4 and first term of this polynomial, that is contain x, and try to convert this term similar as the term contained in divided polynomial, that is this try to convert this first term similar as the first term of this polynomial. So here it is x, so you can multiply by x cube. If you multiply x cube, then we get x raised to the power here. So here take the multiplication of these two polynomials. Here x cube into x minus 1. Here we get x raised to the power 4 minus x cube. Subtract this term, then here we multiply by minus sign, then here this first term is plus, then we get minus, then minus into minus, that is plus. If we are subtracting this term, that means we have to multiply this term by minus sign. So here we get minus, that is minus, and minus into minus plus. So here x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 4, similar term subtraction is 0. Now next term is minus 2x cube minus of minus, here it is plus. So minus x cube plus x cube. If we are adding this term, you have to take x cube common. So remaining is minus 2 plus 1, that is minus x cube. Just we are subtracting the constant term, here minus 2 or here plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now remaining terms write as it is, because there is no term of x square x. Now it is the updated term. Again check the first term, here it is minus x cube, and you have to convert this first term into minus x cube. For that we require to multiply this term by minus x square, and I am multiplying minus x square, so here you have to write minus x square. Now multiply this minus x square to this x minus 1, then we get minus x cube, minus of minus, that is plus x square. Just multiply this minus x square to x minus 1. Now subtract this term. If we are subtracting, then again minus of into minus, that is here we get plus, minus plus, that is minus. This sign rule I have already discussed in previous lecture. See that lecture to clear this multiplication of minus into minus, plus, and this symbolic multiplication. Now here minus x cube plus x cube, again term is similar and subtraction is 0. Here 3 minus 1, because here x square is same, x square take common, then remaining is 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2, so here twice x square. Then next remaining term as it is, that is minus ax plus b. Now here next term, next new polynomial contain 2x square, and we have to again convert this x into 2x square. For that multiply by twice x, so you get here twice x square. So I am writing here twice x, that is new term containing quotient. So multiply this twice x to this term, then we get twice x square minus twice x. Now subtract this term, then here subtraction is minus, or here 2 is plus, so minus plus is minus, then here minus into minus, that is plus. Then here twice x square minus x square minus twice x square is 0. Then here minus ax plus 2, here it contains a is a constant, but we don't know value of a, so you not possible to add this or subtract this term. For that you have to take x is common. If we take x is common, then first term remaining is minus a, and here second term remaining is plus 2, because here new symbol is plus, so plus 2, and next is b as it is. Now here x into minus a plus 2, again you have to divide, and for that multiply this term by minus a plus 2, so new term is here minus a plus 2. If you multiply this minus a plus 2 this term, then we get minus a plus 2 into x minus a plus 2. Here just multiply this term to x minus 1, then we get this type of term. Now again take the subtraction, here subtract this term, then here minus and plus minus, here minus into minus, that is plus. Here first term is similar and subtraction, so here subtraction is 0, here plus and minus same term, so subtraction is 0. Now in the second term, here b is constant and this term is constant, but we don't know the value of a and b, so you write this term as it is, that is plus of this term, that is minus a plus 2 plus b. This is the remainder of our first division term. But in the question, the already remainder is given. If you see the question, here in the question, if we are dividing a polynomial f of x by x minus 1, then remainder is 5, and here we get this polynomial f of x we divided by x minus 1, then we get the remainder, that is minus a plus 2 plus b. It means in given condition is this minus a plus 2 plus b is equals to 5, because remainder is given 5 and we get new remainder, that is this one, and obviously remainder is unique, that's why we write it is nothing but 5. If we solve this term and take this 5 to the right hand side, then we get minus a plus b is equals to 5, and here 2 is plus, if we are shifting to right side, then it will be minus, so minus a plus b equals to 3. This is the equation number a. Now similar way you have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1, because in the question here f of x divided by x plus 1, then we get remainder is 19. So you solve this second term, we get the new equation. Now f of x is this one, and we dividing this f of x by x plus 1, and we know that after division we get the remainder, that is remainder of this division is 19, which is already given, and we are solve this division and check what we get the answer. So let's start. Here again same division. Here the first term is x raised to the power 4 and here x. Convert this x into x raised to the power 4. You have to multiply by x cube. After multiplying this term by x cube, we get x raised to the power 4 plus x cube. Now subtract this term. Then we get first term is 0 and second minus 2. Here new symbol is minus, so minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3x cube, and remaining terms are as it is. Here 3x square minus ax plus b. Now here the first term is minus 3x cube and here x, so you have to multiply this term by minus 3x square, so we get the similar term. Here I am adding next term, that is minus 3x square. Minus, if we multiply minus 3x square to this term, then we get minus 3x cube minus 3x square. Now subtract this term. If we subtract this term, then here minus into minus, that is plus, minus into minus, plus. So here subtraction is 0. And here 3x square, 3x square. Here symbol is plus, plus. So here addition of this term is 6x square. And remaining terms are as it is, that is minus ax plus b. Now here first term is 6x square and here it is x. So you have to multiply this term by 6x and therefore add here 6x. So multiply this 6x to this polynomial x plus 1, we get 6x square plus 6x, and subtract this term. Here if we are subtracting, then here this term is plus, that's why we get minus. Here it is again plus, so minus into plus is minus. If we are subtracting this term, then term is similar, 6x square minus 6x square. So here 0, and here ax and 6ax, again here constant a, we don't know the value of a, that's why we don't, it is not possible to add this term. Just you have to take x common, so here minus x and minus x, so I am taking minus x is common. Minus x is common, then first term remaining is a and second term remaining is 6, and here plus b as it is. Now next we have to multiply by minus 6a, because here first term is minus 6a plus b x. Here first term and here it is x, so you have to convert this term into minus 6 minus a plus b 6. Here next you have to multiply by minus a plus 6. If we multiply this term to x plus 1, then we get minus a plus 6 into x minus a plus 6. Now here this term is similar, we are subtracting, to minus of minus is plus and here minus of minus plus. So here minus this term, similar plus of this term is 0, and here addition of this term is a plus b plus 6. So remainder is a plus b plus 6 and already given remainder is 19. So this term is equals to 19. So we get equation a plus b equals to 13. That is here 6 is shift to right hand side. Then we get 19 minus 6, that is 13. We consider this is equation number b. Now we have two equations, that is equation A and equation B. Here equation A is minus a plus b equals to 3 and equation B is a plus b equals to 13. Solve these equations simultaneously, we get the value of a and b. Here add this equation a and b, then here minus a plus a is 0. I am adding this equation, so minus a plus a is 0 and b plus b is twice b. 3 plus 13, that is 16. So twice a plus b is 16. Now we want the value of a and b. So here from this term we get the value of b. Yes, divide this term throughout by 2. If we divide by 2, then we get b is equals to 16 by 8. That is nothing, 16 by 2, that is nothing but 8. So here b is equals to, we get value 8. Now we want the value of a. For that, put this 8, that is the value of b, in any one equation. Either put in equation number a or in equation b. If we put the value of b in equation number a, then we get here minus a plus 8 equals to 3. That is value of b is 8. Now simplify this term, shift this 8 to the right hand side, then it is 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Here right hand side and left hand side both contain minus, so minus minus get cancelled. We get a is equals to 5. Here we get the value of a and b. Therefore the answer of our question, that is find the value of a and b, is here a we get 5 and b is 8. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.